Arlen's Alien Chronicles, Episode 1. Genesis in the Stars, The Seeds of the Sky People. Your host, Chef Arlen, at Chef Arlen. Listeners, welcome to Arlen's Alien Chronicles, your weekly 30-minute ride through the cosmos, no tinfoil required. I'm Arlen, your agnostic host who can't quite shake Zecharia Sitchin's wild idea that maybe, just maybe, those Sumerian sky gods were real engineers in gold-plated spacesuits. Buckle up. Episode 1 starts. Now, Genesis in the Stars, The Seeds of the Sky People. Today we rewind 450,000 years and fast forward to this very morning's headlines. Same story, different millennium. Picture Earth, 450,000 BCE. No cities, no memes, just volcanoes and Homo erectus scratching their heads at lightning. Enter the Anunnaki. Sitchin translates their name as those who from heaven to earth came. Their homeworld? Nibiru, a rogue planet on a 3,600-year elliptical orbit, atmosphere failing, gold the only fix. They splash down in the Persian Gulf, build Eridu, humanity's first city per the Sumerian king list, and start mining like it's 1849 California. Except the nuggets are atomic. Arlen. Problem. Rank and file Anunnaki hate pickaxes. Mutiny brews. Solution. Enki, chief scientist and resident mad genius, proposes a hybrid worker. He mixes Anunnaki DNA with local hominid stock. Think CRISPR in a clay jar. Result. Adamu, the first black-headed worker. Us. The texts call the lab Eden. Yep, that Eden. Enki's recipe. 1. Slay a lesser god, Vaishaptu. 2. Mix blood with clay. 3. Imprint the image of the divine. 4. Gestate in 14 birth goddesses. 14 test tube babies later, civilization has its beta testers. The mines move to southern Africa, the Abzu. Archaeology backs the weirdness. 100,000-year-old gold mines in Swaziland. Tunnels following veins with precision, no Stone Age toolkit explains. I'm not saying aliens, but I'm not saying it. November 6th, 2025. A peer-reviewed paper drops analyzing 1950s atomic test footage. Anomalous objects, metallic, disc-shaped, zip through mushroom clouds before Sputnik. Lead author. These are not ours. Link in show notes. Coincidence? Or skywatchers checking our fireworks? Sitchin wasn't a crackpot. Fluent in Akkadian, he spent decades on cuneiform tablets at the British Museum. His critics say, planet Nibiru would destabilize orbits. His reply, it already did. Look at Pluto's weird path. I stay agnostic, but the math is spicy. 4000 BCE, boom. Writing, wheels, 360-degree circle, sexagesimal math. No 10,000-year crawl. Overnight PhD. My take, software update from off-world admins. Today, Congress refiles the UAP Disclosure Act. Full release of all crash retrieval data by 2026. 34 military whistleblowers in the age of disclosure. Doc claim non-human biologics recovered. One says the craft grow like living metal. Sitchin smirks from the grave. If we're 50% Anunnaki, what's the other 50%? Junk DNA? Royal bloodlines? My insatiable craving for late-night tacos? Science says 223 genes have no evolutionary precursor. Gift of the gods. Your mission? Stare at the night sky tonight. Pick one star. Ask, are you late for your 3,600-year coffee break? Tweet me at Chef Arlen with hashtag GrokAlien. Best answer gets a shout out tomorrow. Next episode, The Great Flood. Was Noah's Ark a DNA bank? Did Enki leak the memo while Enlil hit delete? Spoiler, water levels rise faster than today's sea level headlines. Election week 2025. Sightings spike 40% over DC FAA logs, 87 transmedium objects in 48 hours. Stress or celestial pole watchers? I don't know if gold-hungry astronauts seeded us, but I know curiosity is our birthright. Question everything, especially the official story. Grok Alien Chronicles drops weekly on Sunday at 6 p.m. EST. Subscribe, rate 5 stars, tell a friend. Follow at Chef Arlen on X for bonus tablets and memes. Next week, Episode 2, The Gold Rush begins. Until then, keep your eyes up and your skepticism dialed to 11. We're all just stardust, with overdue library books